In this video today, I'm going to show you how I make my face oil using only natural products. The products that I use are grapeseed oil, calendula. These are literally the only two ingredients. I have been using the face oil like that for about 6 months now, maybe a little bit longer. And I really like it. It's all natural and my skin seems to like it too. I originally got this idea when I was talking to somebody and I was asking her, how come your face looks really good? Your skin looks really beautiful. And she said, this is what I do. I use this mixture of dried calendula and oil, and this is what I use on my face as a daily moisturizer. So I'm going to show you how I do it, but first of all, the ingredients. So the calendula here has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties, so it's really good for that. I buy it from this herb shop, so this is 1 ounce here and it cost me $6. And then I use grapeseed oil. Now you could use different types of oils. It really depends on your skin. Some people like to use jojoba oil. Some people could use apricot kernel oil, sweet almond oil. Those are more for sensitive skin. My skin is more on the side of oily or combination, somewhere in between there. So for that purpose, grapeseed oil seems to be really good. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this calendula, and I usually don't even measure it exactly, but for this video purposes, I got out my 1/4 cup measuring spoon here, and that's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to put about 1/4 cup in here. Okay, so looks about right, or actually maybe a tiny bit more. Just add a little. And then I'm going to get my grapeseed oil and simply pour this over the calendula. Okay, I'm gonna fill it about this much because the other jar where I'm gonna transfer it later is actually smaller. And I'm gonna put the lid on. Just give it a little shake. And I'm gonna leave it like this for about a couple of weeks. Then I'm gonna strain it and use it. I still have a little bit here. This is my last batch. This is what is left over. So I'm going to just pour everything in here and use it as my face oil.